Smart glasses are no longer science fiction. Technology is moving from our hands to our eyes. With AI-powered smart glasses, information appears instantly in your vision. You can translate languages in real time, navigate streets without touching your phone. Messages, notifications, and reminders appear hands-free. AI assistants understand what you see and help you instantly. Phones stay in pockets, or slowly disappear. Companies like TCL and Apple are racing to build this future. The screen is no longer in your hand, it's in front of your eyes. Technology is becoming invisible, but more powerful than ever. Would you replace your phone with smart glasses? Comment yes or no.